Hi, I'm Thom Stanton from timbertrails.tv, here to introduce our line of tiny or small modular houses that are quickly and cost-effectively built with a portability that enables single-family homes to be installed in various locations, grouped into multi-family units, or used to create cluster communities, including campgrounds, ecovillages, and off-grid neighborhoods. Here's how it works. It starts with a small house built of structural insulated panels, lovingly known as SIPs, and we construct this house in such a way that it's easy to move around. In this case, rather than a tiny house on wheels, we're going to show you how it works with a tiny house on skids. So we've got our structure built, and we bring our trailer in place. Now this can be put onto the trailer either via crane, or in this case, because it would be from a shed company, it could be just rolled right onto it. But for these purposes, we'll just drop it right onto this trailer. Now once we get to the job site, the foundation is prepared, whether it's going to be a crawl space, whether it's going to be a basement, or in this case it illustrates with the pier foundation, and the trailer just backs right up into place. A crane can also drop it here, which is a very traditional method for doing this as well, but this is more cost effective. We'll just go ahead and take our trailer away once we've got the house all leveled up and on the piers. Now other things are added to the house in this process, including the porch, other sorts of things, whether it be an eave extension or other aspects of the home. But what you're left with is a finished ready structure that's prepared for you to finish off with exterior siding, windows and doors, whatever you want. Now we can help with some of this, but other aspects of it you'll be able to do yourself, saving yourself time or money. If you're a builder or contractor, this is the type of thing that you can do using our shells to quickly construct the basic form of the house, get it onto location, and then be able to finish it off. Of course, one of the things we can do is bring these in and make several of them in one place. This illustrates one being brought in with the pieces added onto it. The designs are virtually limitless. In the case of something that has to move through a common carrier or other types of road-ready vehicles, we're going to have to adhere to certain width restrictions. We like to look at 12 feet or less simply because that's going to keep you below the wide load permit that requires the extra cost of escort vehicles and others. So these all illustrate the 12-foot sort of width. But one of the things to look at is that this can be pretty much any shape or size, and what I like to do is start with the basic volume of the shape at its legal limits, so up to 13.5 foot tall minus the height of the trailer, the width of 12 feet, 16-footer or others can be basically brought together in modular form and put together, but it works very well for this. For something like this, monopitched roofs, with a single roof plane, then this type of configuration of these different styles really starts to come out. And what we can do is then add on to it. The door placement can be moved, windows can be put wherever you want them. We can extend the eaves to be with large overhangs. We can turn the backside to the sun if you happen to live in a hot climate. We can position it so that if you're in a northern climate or one that needs more solar gain, that we can have the larger windows open to the southern facing sun during those winter months, but having some of the overhangs that are going to block that sun when it gets to be a little bit warmer in the summertime. So that's basically it in a nutshell. Again, this is Thom Stanton with timbertrails.tv. Here's my contact information. If you'd like to get in touch, please just give me a call. I love to talk about this stuff. I'm like a geek about it. So, it's easy to talk about just what you'd like to do, get things moving forward with some sort of design or at least some ideas that are going to enable you to have an affordable house, a house that's going to be easy for you to keep, cost-effectively comfortable, as well as something that is going to get you as close as possible to mortgage-free, debt-free, and a simpler way of life. Again, Thom Stanton with timbertrails.tv. Give me a shout. Talk to you soon. Thanks.